What if every child in India, regardless of their background, could access quality education? What if we had the tools to make it happen? On November 21st, 2024, education leaders, policymakers, and changemakers gathered at IIT Delhi for a pivotal moment in the journey of inclusive education in India, the launch of the RTE MIS Digital Public Good. At the heart of this revolution lies the RTE MIS, a DPG that redefines how the Right to Education Act, Section 12(c) is implemented. It's the culmination of over a decade of relentless efforts by Indus Action and its partners. Since 2017, Indus Action has forged impactful partnerships with states like Odisha, Bihar, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Tripura, Delhi, Gujarat, Uttarakhand and Chhattisgarh, advancing RTE implementation and simplifying admissions. Yet, even after 14 years of the RTE Act, many states continue to face challenges, leaving lakhs of reserved seats unused due to inefficiencies. Our mission is to bridge these gaps through innovation and collaboration.
इस पूरे डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें थी जिसको मेजर फोकस किया गया, डेटा मैनेजमेंट, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बर्डन कैसे कम हो सकती है, कितना यूज़र फ्रेंडली हो सकता है, सिटीजन की एक्सेसिबिलिटी कितनी आसानी से हो सकती है, और जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट या हाई कोर्ट के जजमेंट्स हैं उसको हम लोगों ने कंसीडर करके इस पूरे प्रोसेस को डेवलप किया गया।
The event brought together a diverse group, state leaders, technologists, funders and civil society members, all united by a shared goal of inclusive education.
నాకు ఆర్టీఈ మీద 12(c) మీద అండర్స్టాండింగ్ చేయడానికి ఈ మీటింగ్ అనేది చాలా యూజ్ఫుల్ చెప్పాలి. అందరి వ్యూస్, డిఫరెంట్ స్టేట్స్ నుంచి వ్యూస్, వాళ్ళ ఐడియాస్, ఛాలెంజెస్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా నాకు చాలా యూజ్ఫుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. అదేవిధంగా ఇండస్ యాక్షన్ అనేది వర్క్ నేను ఈ మధ్య రివ్యూ చేసిన దాన్ని బట్టి చూస్తే పాలసీ మ్యాటర్స్లో కావచ్చు, టెక్నాలజీ పరంగా కావచ్చు, మాకు లాటరీ ఆల్గారిథమ్స్లో కావచ్చు, అన్నిటి విషయాల్లో చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు.
And I am truly privileged to attend this meeting. We will be touching million of lives through this program.
Voices from across the nation shared how RTE DPG can transform state-level implementations. Beyond the policy rooms and data dashboards are the lives touched by the system. Through the relentless efforts of Indus Action, states and CSR partners, 7,18,037 admissions have been secured, unlocking welfare worth Rs 824 crores.
स्कूलों में सीट बहुत कम होती हैं और अलॉट बहुत ज़्यादा कर दी जाती हैं. अगर 25 सीटें हैं तो उनको 60 सीटें दे दी जाती हैं, जिसकी वजह से बच्चों के एडमिशन नहीं होते हैं और जो बाकी के 45 बच्चे हैं वो सफ़र करते हैं एडमिशन के लिए, क्योंकि पूरा साल वो लोग घूमते रहते हैं. कभी स्कूल के चक्कर लगाते हैं, डिपार्टमेंट के चक्कर लगाते हैं. डिपार्टमेंट बोलता है कि हमने तो सीट अलॉट कर दी, स्कूल कहता है हमारे पास सीट नहीं है. तो ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है पेरेंट्स के लिए वहाँ पर एडमिशन ना होने का.
This whole verification process, validation process, all the approval process, all of that can be built away.
So those kind of challenges or those kind of problems can be resolved through this portal.
The RTE MIS DPG interface streamlines the entire process, offering seamless integration for better monitoring, data-driven decision-making, and more effective implementation of the right to education.
टेक्नोलॉजी एक टूल है. हाउ कैन द प्रोसेस बिकम मोर एफिशिएंट? तो आपका टाइम कैसे जो लग रहा है वो कम हो जाए, पेरेंट्स के लिए भी प्लस जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उनके लिए भी.
As the curtains closed, the work began. Together as an ecosystem, states, civil society organizations, and CSR partners, we aim to ensure over 1 million children gain admission through RTE by 2025. The RTE MIS DPG is more than a system. It's a promise of inclusion, hope, and transformation. Be part of this journey. Visit rtmis.indusaction.org to explore more.